It says good.
Good.
Yeah, we're at this college games, like they're doing different sports, running, high jump, or whatever. So we're just sitting here watching and snacking and yeah, having a good time. Over for today. It was good. I think it was really good. The girls left me a little bit earlier since their sport interest isn't really as big as mine. But it was cool. There was a girl who jumped 6.53 meters in long jump, so that is pretty amazing actually. Now I'm gonna try to walk back to the marina.
I'm getting back to St. Lucia, crazy country.
Already?
Yeah, I don't want to leave the Latino me gusta vibe, so. But that's how life goes.
Yeah,
Keep on moving.
What was the best on the boat so far?
Sweetest things like, you know, Lilla Lamu and Astrid Lindgren and Herbomare and just relaxing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been good.
Nice. You look more relaxed now than you did when you came here.
For sure. It's been a calming experience.
We are on our way to a little place called La Parguera on the south coast, southwest part of Puerto Rico. We're sailing straight downwind now for about 4 hours. The autopilot Otto is steering and me and Linn is just tagging along, and I think we'll be there in 40-50 minutes or something like that. So we might go in and grab something to eat. The south coast of Puerto Rico is actually quite similar to the Portuguese coast. It's like mountain and stuff. And it's also quite shallow, far out from the coastline, which means that there's going to be a lot of fishing stuff as well, like buoys and nets and cages. For our boat it's not a big problem because we have a long keel boat, so all the ropes just slide underneath the boat and then comes free. But for fin keel boat it might become a problem because they have the rudder is free and the propeller is free and all that, so it's something to consider. I don't understand why there's no boat sailing in Puerto Rico. Like, the anchorage we're getting into now is huge, like there's so much space to anchor and there's one boat on the whole anchorage, and it's like small islands and kind of clear water, and it's just super beautiful here. I don't know why people don't go here. It's strange. Are we gripping?
Looks like it.
We just came back from town after a nice dinner on a restaurant, and yeah, it seems like a really nice place, La Parguera. So tomorrow we're gonna bring you guys, we're gonna explore it a little bit more.
Right now we're in the dinghy on our way into La Parguera, and it's just really nice driving into this little mangrove channel with all the small houses, and it's a beautiful place, especially with grandma on board. Be kind, children, otherwise I'll put you in the mangroves.
Parguera, where we are right now, is actually one of the most touristy places on the south and west part of Puerto Rico, but compared to the east part it's like nothing. But we hear from a lot of people that's actually locals from the east part coming to this part to actually spend their holiday because they think it's more beautiful here. Just a city boy, born and raised in west of Sweden. Took the sailboat going somewhere.
Let's go.
We made it to
Playa Rosada, Lita, something like that.
So it should be a pink beach, right?
No.
No?
Just a name.
Well, I can see some pink little shades in this. And we are back at the dinghy. It's really hard to find a dinghy dock here, so fortunately the local dive company let us stay at their dock, which is super nice. So now there's rain coming, so let's go.
I'm trying to make some Brazilian tapioca for tonight, and I put Gustav on the job to like mush up the dough or the flour with water, and this is his reaction. The flour isn't really what we're used to in Sweden.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's like creamy. It's like just like what, I don't know, like pancake, whatever mix. And look at this. Look, come. Look down here. When I grab it like this, it's crazy. Like, look at this. I just I don't know how that happens. I'm sorry. I'm not a physician, but it's insane.
So if you want to make Gustav happy for Christmas, don't buy toys. Buy some tapioca flour and
look at this. Look at this. Now it's just gonna. That is magic. Oh my god. How did it turn out?
Look really good as well. After some fighting with that mixture, turned up to nice wraps. We put a little cheese on them, and then you put vegetables in. And it's really nice. We booked the car yesterday, and we were told that they were going to bring us to where the boat is. But they didn't show up this morning, and we called them, and they were like, oh no, sorry, we can't bring you a car. And there we were standing, so we hitchhiked here and finally have the car like 4 hours later, but still it's very nice. And we're gonna go see some waterfalls. We met a super nice couple from America that gave us a ride here, and they were super sweet, so thanks a lot for that. Yeah, we're gonna see some waterfalls, and tonight Gustav is gonna drop me up at the airport.
Up in the mountains.
We arrived to the place where the hike to the waterfall starts, but it's raining quite a lot outside, so we're gonna eat some lunch and see if the rain stops. And what's for lunch?
Egg sandwiches a la Linn.
Nice.
We're back from the waterfall. It was pretty amazing, and unfortunately the GoPro died immediately, so we have no footage at all. But it was cool, and at the second waterfall we actually found this little thing. I think it's a GoPro Silver 4, which is the same one that we have, and apparently there's a bit of footage on it, so I'm gonna bring it back. It seems like it's been lying around for a while in that waterfall, so I'm gonna bring it back to the boat, check the footage, and try to figure out who's the owner of this, and trying to send it back to the rightful owner. So let's hope that works out.
So Gustav made me climb like this steep wall next to the waterfall, which was all, what do you call it, like rolling rocks, more or less?
Kind of loose, yeah.
Quite a nice place to stop at.
Mm-hmm. This would be the perfect place to mount like a zip line and just blast down here. Pretty cool.
We're at the top of Torre de Piedra. This little tower that we found.
Linn's had enough. We want to go back to the boat. It's time.
It's time for me to go home.
Yeah.
Green stamp.
Green stamp. It's good. Time to go.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you back in Sweden. Linn is in a couple of hours leaving Puerto Rico, flying home to Sweden, and I'm alone on the boat, and I'm gonna cross the Atlantic in 2 weeks.